Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. The topic of the video is evidence-based health benefits of papaya and how to include it in your daily diet. Papaya is an incredibly healthy tropical fruit. So here are the top 5 health benefits. Number 1. Delicious and loaded with nutrients. Papaya is a delicious fruit containing just 62 calories per cup. There are almost 16 grams of carbohydrates in a serving of papaya, including fiber 2.5 grams and fat only zero point 0.4 grams. It is high in vitamin C and A, as well as fiber and healthy plant compounds, more specifically the carotenoid lycopene. It also contains an enzyme called papain used to tenderize meat. Number 2 is anti-cancer properties. Papaya prevent your cells from undergoing free radical damage, which reduce cancer risk and perhaps even slow cancer progression. Number 3 is improve heart health. Papaya prevents cholesterol buildup in your arteries, which improve heart health and may reduce your risk of heart disease. Number 4. Improve digestion. Papaya has a digestive enzyme known as papain along with fiber, which helps improve your digestive health. Number 5. Protects against skin damage. The powerful antioxidants and vitamin C in papaya can help your skin recover from sun damage and may defend against wrinkling. Moreover, papaya is a delicious and versatile fruit. It can be eaten alone or easily combined with other foods, such as in breakfast and as an appetizer, smoothie, salad, and as a dessert as well. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.